In this video, we're going to talk about how to create the sales calendar chart like this. So basically you can see we need a week information, we need a weekday information, and then we need a dates information, and then also we need the sales on each day to control calendar. Okay, so let's do it. So we need the dates information from the order date, and here we do not need the years, we need the week. So here, as we discussed in class, there are two sections of date variables. This section of dates variables, they do not care about the year information. So basically, the sales in May of this year will be combined with the sales in May from last year and from next year. So here you can say we care about the year information. So the sales in this May will be different from the sales in next year's May. Okay. So basically, you want to make sure you understand the two sections of dates variable. Here, we do not care about the year information. We need the week number. So basically, we want to make sure all the weeks listed here does not matter. This week is from this year or from last year or from next year. We don't care. So then we need another workday information, but here we need the weekday, not the year information. We need the weekday. So have this information ready. So they're going to replace these labels with the dates, the daily information. So we need the order date again. Drag the order date to the text. But here I say once again, we do not need the year information because dates information will be picked up by the Tableau. It will first, we're going to pick the year information, but we do not need the year information. We need the day information. Okay. It's like this. Okay, so we have this information ready. Then we are going to color code this date. Okay, because we want to color code this date by sales, we drag the sales into the color card. So you can see the color of the date has been changed. But we do not want to change just the date's number. We want to change that sales. That cell, C-E-L-L, that cell, this is square. So we want to change from this automatic to the square. So in this case, we got this calendar look like chart. Of course, we can change the size of this chart to make it easier to see it, right? And of course, you can change the color of this chart as well if you want. You can change it to blue, orange, other chart. So we just keep it as like this. And of course, you can remove the unwanted labels. Okay. And once again, here we don't care the year information. Okay. So we combine the sales from multiple year in just one sales calendar. Okay. If you care about the year information here, so you have to pick this one. That we're going to say week from 1 year will be different from the same week from another year. So you can see from here, you're going to put the week, start of that week, and the year information as well. So we're going to switch from measure to discrete. So this one, so that we're going to say, hey, this is each week of 1 year, they are different. You can see here. Okay, so that basically give more information about these weeks are ordered chronologically. So basically we get similar information, but right now they have different display. Then we can also add a filter. Say we put the category filter. So that's basically we select everything. Okay. So we display the filter. So in this case, we can filter, say we just want to see the sale calendar for the beverage or for the produce as well, or seafood as well. So we can just change the filter to see the information we need. And finally, of course, we give this chart a new name, right? And that's about it.